In this video, you'll learn how to transfer Solana from Binance to your OKX wallet. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to ensure a smooth transfer of your cryptocurrency. Begin by opening the OKX app or accessing your OKX Web3 wallet through your preferred web browser. Once you have the application open, look for the option labeled Receive. This option is typically located on the main screen or within the wallet section, depending on your interface. After tapping Receive, you will need to select SOL, which stands for Solana. This selection is crucial as it ensures that you are transferring the correct cryptocurrency. Once you select SOL, you will see your unique Solana address displayed on the screen. The address will begin with characters such as 5F or 9X. Make sure to copy this address accurately. It is essential that the network displayed is labeled as Solana or Solana. Double checking this information is important to prevent any transfer errors. Next, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website. After logging in, navigate to the wallet section. This is usually found in the main menu or sidebar. Once in the wallet section, look for the option labeled Withdrawal. Click on this option to proceed with the withdrawal process. You will now need to choose Solana, which stands for Solana, from the list of available cryptocurrencies for withdrawal. Ensure that you select the correct currency to avoid any mishaps during the transfer. After selecting Solana you wish to transfer, before finalizing the transaction, it is advisable to verify your internet connection and ensure that your Binance account has sufficient funds for the transfer. Additionally, confirm any withdrawal fees that may apply, as these can vary based on network conditions and Binance policies. Once you have reviewed all details, proceed to complete the withdrawal. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.